problem says the sum of the 5 average ratings, which came from this chart, was calculated for each of the 3 airlines. The airline with the least sum was ranked first. Well, if you look at these 3 columns, which one is obviously going to have the least sum? It's going to be C. Look at these numbers, 4.3, 5.4, 3.5. They're all less than these other ones. So you don't have to worry about summing those numbers up. So we know it's C. Now go to your pie chart and look to see where C is ranked first. So there's 2 of them here that rank C first, and there's 20 here that rank C first. So the airlines with the least sums rank first. What fraction of the travel agents? So it's going to be 22 over 100 will be the ratio or the fraction.